everybody, here we are going today to Hassan and then tomorrow to Agumbe. So Hassan is this beautiful place which is house of one of the famous temples that you saw in my previous vlogs called Halebeedu. We are again going to Hassan to find out more, explore more and then travel to Agumbe from there, which is supposed to be raining now. So we are at this fort built by Tipu Sultan. It's called Manjurabad Fort. There are some stairs. This fort was built by Tipu Sultan and he actually wanted to secure and build a safe highway between Coorg and Chikmagalur. So he built this fort called Manjurabad. This place was covered with cloud and Manju means cloud in the local language, which is Kannada. So this fort and the surrounding place is called Manjurabad. This on an aerial view looks like this. So we have finally come here.
You can see the view here, how high we are. It's raining somewhere there near the peak. It's sunny but it's not so hot.
Look at the watchtower there. Wow, look at that entrance. Amazing. Let me just zoom it to you. This is the beautiful entrance of Manjurabad Fort and that is my beautiful wife.
Drainage systems built back then.
Look at this, looks like it just took a swim. We just came from those dunes right through these stairs, pillars here, and then we're going there now. This is a place where there used to be an assembly of soldiers. As soon as the king arrives or the royalty arrives, there would be respect paid for them. And there would be some small standing army to protect this fort here.
I think this forms the star, right? These look like corners of the star.
I'm sure you would be pleasantly surprised by what I'm going to show you now. The shoes are really awesome. But I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about this. Wow! Look at the local water source at the top of the fort. So you can see these steps here, similar to the ones that are on the opposite side. This is some kind of chamber which is leading from here. That is the water source. That is the star formation. This is a chamber leading inside the fort. We'll now be going inside to see what is inside. It's really dark. It's scary here. I'm going back now and I'm back. this was probably for hiding, and you can see the place here. This place was used to keep a lamp inside, so that when you're going in, you take the lamp and go. When you're coming out, keep the lamp here so that it is protected from the wind that is coming here if you keep deep. So I found these people who are actually in charge of security and protecting the fort. Thank you very much. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಜಾಗದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
18ನೇ ಶತಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್ ಅವರು ಕಟ್ಟಿಸಿದ್ದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸುರಂಗ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಇದೆ, ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಪಟ್ಟಣ ಟು ಮೈಸೂರು. ನಾವು ನಿಂತಿರೋ ಜಾಗ ಇದು ಕುದುರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ಇದೆ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ, ಅದು ತೊಟ್ಟಿ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕುದುರೆಗೆ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳು ಕುದುರೆಗಳು ಕಟ್ಟಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದಂತೆ. ಮೇಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಆಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ. 8 ಮೂಲೆ ಇದೆ, 8 ಮೂಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮುಂದೆ ಫ್ರಂಟಲ್ಲೊಂದು 9 ಗೂಡು ಥರ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇನ್ನು ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಆ ಗೂಡೊಳಗಡೆ. ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಗೂಡೆಲ್ಲ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದ ಬಾತ್ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮದ್ದು ಗಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಿತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
So you just saw, we spoke to the tourist police. They were gracious enough to talk to us, and they informed us of details of where this and the other one back there led to. So we'll just go and try to see if there are some design remains that are left. Not exactly to see the toilets, but it's just a curiosity to see how they were. So you can see another doorway here. This is another doorway, and inside that is the actual toilets that old soldiers used to use.
Quite dark and scary, man.
We are at the top here, and you can see the stars perimeter here. This is an internal star, and those compound form an external perimeter of the star. We will see how this fort was surveyed. Here you can see that is the entrance that we came. That is the entrance that we came in. So one of the soldiers would stand here and watch who is coming in, and there would stand another soldier who can see in the direction even before coming into this spot. Look at how tiny this watchtower is. Look at my hands. Look at this for the comparison. It's about
Quite
3
small.
times, and the soldier would really have to squeeze himself in and go.
I think it has a reason, right? It can't be like 10 people can just barge in and attack a person standing there.
Yes. We are going in to see if we find something interesting. So this is the structure as you go in. That is where the soldier would stand and watch through the towers opening. There are about 3 openings on all 3 sides of that dome.
We've completed the tour now. It is an amazing place to visit. It is very clean. You can't see a piece of litter anywhere. Very well secured. I don't feel unsafe at all. Actually, you can see around there are hardly any people here, but there are 3 police guarding this place. So if you are in Hassan, Chikmagalur, please do visit this place. It's not very popular, so you can have very nice pictures. As you can see, quite green, and I mean, it's like you're a fairy tale castle.
In the closing, I would like to say this fort is a must visit. I am very thankful for the authorities who have maintained this fort so well, and we were concerned about security to start with. When we came here, we had to talk to about 2 or 3 shopkeepers situated down, but after coming here we came to know that there are tourist police here and some locals helping them, and we feel very secure here. The police were very friendly, and they are making a tremendous effort to keep this place clean and safe. A big thumbs up to them. So if you are around Hassan, Chikmagalur, this is a place to come. It's good Manjurabad. Search for Manjurabad Fort. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು? ನಂದೀಶ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನಂದೀಶ್. ಓಕೆ. Closing.
We would like to say it was a good trip. We enjoyed our afternoon and it was awesome.
So how was your climbing experience?